Brief history of IRS. Origin. The roots of IRS go back to the Civil War when President Lincoln and Congress, in 1862, created the position of Commissioner of Internal Revenue and enacted an income tax to pay war expenses. The income tax was repealed 10 years later. Congress revived the income tax in 1894, but the Supreme Court ruled it unconstitutional the following year. 16th Amendment. In 1913, Wyoming ratified the 16th Amendment, providing the three-quarter majority of states necessary to amend the Constitution. The 16th Amendment gave Congress the authority to enact an income tax. That same year, the FI.R.St. Form 1040 appeared after Congress levied a 1% tax on net personal incomes above $3,000 with a 6% surtax on incomes of more than $500,000. In 1918, during World War I, the top rate of the income tax rose to 77% to help finance the war effort. It dropped sharply in the post-war years, down to 24% in 1929, and rose again during the Depression. During World War II, Congress introduced payroll withholding and quarterly tax payments. A new name. In the 50s, the agency was reorganized to replace a patronage system with career, professional employees. The Bureau of Internal Revenue name was changed to the Internal Revenue Service. Only the IRS Commissioner and Chief Counsel are selected by the President and confirmed by the Senate. The 1980s saw a reorganization of the IRS. A bipartisan commission was created with several mandates, among them to increase customer service and improve collections. Congress later enacted the Internal Revenue Service Restructuring and Reform Act of 1998. As a result of that act, the IRS now functions under four major operating divisions: Large Business and International Division, LB&I, the Small Business, Self-Employed, SB/SAY, Division, the Wage and Investment, W&I, Division, and Tax-Exempt and Government Entities, T/Ch, Division. Effective October 1, 2010, the name of the Large and Mid-Size Business Division changed to the Large Business and International, LB&I, Division. The IRS also includes a Criminal Law Enforcement Division, IRS Criminal Investigation Division. While there is some evidence that customer service has improved, lost tax revenues in 2001 were over $323 billion. The IRS has its headquarters in Washington, D.C., and does most of its computer programming in Maryland. It currently operates 10 service centers around the country: in Andover, MA, Holtsville, NY, Philadelphia, PA, Atlanta, GA, Memphis, TN, Austin, TX, Covington, GI, Fresno, California, Kansas City, Mo, and Ogden, UT, at which returns sent by mail are received. These centers do the actual tax processing. Different types of returns are processed at the various centers, with some centers processing individual returns and others processing business returns. The IRS also operates 3 computer centers around the country: in Detroit, Michigan, Martinsburg, West Virginia, and Memphis, Tennessee.